Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that more bits of ANZ may be up for sale. But first, there was a set of core American economic data out overnight, which showed a weakening tone. New orders for manufactured durable goods in the US in March increased just 0.8% to 230 billion, a smaller rise than markets were expecting. Transportation equipment drove the increase. This increase, up 2 of the last 3 months, followed a 3.1% decrease in February. This data confirmed the latest factory PMI data, which has recently shown an expansion that is running out of steam. On a much more important services front, the US economy is holding its own with a modest expansion still in place. US consumer confidence, as recorded by the Conference Board Index, which had increased in March, declined moderately in April. And house prices in the US rose 5.3% in February according to the Case-Shiller Index, the same rate of increase as for previous months. But there were some notably strong regional gains, especially in the West. Portland rose 11.9% year on year, Seattle 11% and Denver 9.7%. Despite these trimmed American growth data points, the world's airlines still see good trade growth in 2016 for both passengers and air cargoes. And troubled Malaysian government investment fund One Malaysia Development Berhad defaulted on a series of bonds yesterday as part of an ongoing dispute with the Abu Dhabi Sovereign Wealth Fund, depressing that country's stock and currency markets and raising concerns that their government may eventually have to spend billions to bail out the fund. In Australia, the rumours about ANZ Bank offloading parts of its Mike Smith empire are growing. First it was UDC, then stakes in 3 Asian-based banks, and now its discount brokerage business in Australia, E-Trade, is up for sale. In New Zealand, ANZ has a similar business, ANZ Securities, and presumably that will be in the mix for divestment too. In New York, the benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield keeps rising, and that is now at 1.93%. That is 7 consecutive days of rises now. We are seeing similar small regular rises in our local wholesale rates as well. The oil price is up too and is now just on $44 a barrel, while Brent is on at $46 a barrel. The gold price is up a smidge as well at $1,242 an ounce. And finally today, New Zealand dollar opens little change from yesterday, now at 68.8 US cents, 88.9 Aussie cents, and at 61 euro cents. The TWI is now at 71.8, still in the range it's been all year. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.